Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your car's oil. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and 4 to 5 quarts of new engine oil. Ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the engine is cool. Always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection throughout the process. Now, place your drain pan directly beneath the oil pan. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Let all the old, dirty oil drain completely into the pan, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, clean the area and reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it firmly. Next, locate the old oil filter. Position your drain pan underneath it, as some residual oil will likely spill. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen and remove the old filter. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. Then, screw the new filter on by hand until it is snug, usually about 3/4 of a turn past contact. Finally, it is time to add the new engine oil. Locate your oil fill cap, usually on top of the engine, and carefully pour in the 4 to 5 quarts of fresh oil. Replace the cap, then start the engine for a few minutes to circulate the oil. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, and check the oil level with the dipstick. Ensure there are no leaks and dispose of the old oil responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.